Naging emotional naman nitong si Kylie Padillano tungkol sa kanya mga reaksyon sa mga nababasa niya sa mga comment na malaki daw ang naiitulong ng Kaitan Lab Team at ng Code Lock sa mga taong dumaranas ng depression, stress, yung mga taong nalulungkot, lalo namang ang mga OFW at yung mga taong nakakaranas ng mga madulugbahang sakit. At dito nga mangiyak-ngiyak siya na sinabi niya na kasiyahan na nila ang magbigay ng kasiyahan sa maraming tao. At dito nga binati niya, kinongratulate niya si Ethan sa kanyang pagiging number 1 at sabi nga niya, ang isusunod naman daw niya ay si Johnny. At ito po panoorin natin.
Guys, that's our next goal, to get Johnny to the top. And then baby also.
Let's try. And Princess.
Princess Kylie pala ha. Hey guys, salamat po sa nag-gift in that one game with Johnny. Johnny, yes papa. I hope you guys had a good day. Congratulations to my hubby, asawa ko, my Jagia, for popular number 1. And I think he was number 8 in the ratings. I'm so happy for you. I know na sinasabi mo, but it's because of me, but it's because of you then. It's your energy, it's the lightness and positivity that you bring to your life, and you're just authentically yourself. So, congratulations. Maybe tinulungan kita in the beginning, but you're doing all the hard work on your own now. And I'm so happy to see it. You deserve it. Congratulations! Jagia, happy, everything. Yoba? Yoba? Tama ba? Yo. How do you say it? How do you say? Yobo. Yebo. Congratulations. Hoping for more blessings for you. Ina? I did not see. Oh. I'm happy for him. Sobra. Pati ako naiyak. Ano ba yan? Super, na-appreciate ko siya. Oh, there you go. Lost in Kylie, there you go. I'm happy. And I feel very I feel very protective of them 3. He said in his life, hindi siya nakakatulog because he's so happy. Ako naman, hindi ako nakakatulog because I'm so worried. Fame can be a really hard pill to swallow. And I worry sometimes, because you all are very passionate about us. Alam niyo naman kung paano ang Pinoy sa love team, di ba? I know how invested you guys are. But I also want you to remember that si Ethan was, and still is actually, a normal human being. So, even though, we love him because he's such a positive person, diba? We have to also take care of the person behind the screen. So, if ever man you feel a certain way about the person because you're so invested, remember na tao pa rin yun. Actually, can we just apply this to everybody who's involved in the situation? Diba? I'm like this kasi I've been on the other end. I know what it feels like. Nakaka-dehumanize siya. And that's all I want to say. before I posted that video namin sa Instagram ko and then following here sa TikTok, nagpaalam ako sa kanya. And you know what he said? He said, hindi mo kailangan magpaalam sa akin. You can do anything. But alam ko kasi yung mangyayari. I know what's gonna happen. So, them, all of them, 3 of them, Code Black. Iniingatan ko. And also myself. Diba? So, thank you guys for... Actually, you know what? Happy ako. Super. Because ang dami kong na panood, nabasa, narinig. Yung mga kwento ng mga OFW na nanonood sa amin, na natutuwa. And may mga may sakit, like sinabi ni nana ko, may mga may sakit. There was one, si Miss MJ, she is MVP of Ethan, and she had a heart problem, and I hope it's okay that I'm sharing this, but I was listening to their their live. Natouch ako sobra because she had surgery in her heart, and kami daw ni Ethan yung nagpapasaya sa kanya, and that's what made me cry. That's what's making me very emotional now, because if there's one thing that you can give someone because you're famous or an influencer, it's happiness. And you can connect with someone to the screen and make them feel happy. It's free, diba, on this app. So that's why I want to protect them and protect yung samahan namin. Kasi we built a community na, and feeling ko may blessing dun eh. That if your intention is good as a person and you're making people happy, for sure, maganda rin yung balik sa'yo. And yun lang. So, I hope we can keep this environment happy and just a place where people can feel good. May sakit man, or kung nalulungkot sila sa ibang bansa, di ba, pagod na sila magtrabaho, pagod na tayo magtrabaho, naghahanap tayo ng safe place. I'd like to keep Code Black and Kaitan a safe place. Yun lang po ang sharing ko. So yun, thanks guys. I love you, Kath. I'm also proud of you guys. Hindi madaling maging mod. At sa best friend ko nagla-live, pinagtatanggol ako. Okay na guys, tama na yan. Okay, bye guys!